Dancing with Cats. Grumpy Cat, a Grumpy Book. How to tell if your cat is plotting to kill you. You need more sleep. Advice from cats. Cats on the job. 50 fabulous felines who purr, mouse, and even sing for their supper. Cat-titudes to live by. Inspirational thoughts. The French cat. If it fits, I sits cats in awkward. Too cute to handle. Sleeping cats. I could pee on this and other poems by cats. The life and love of cats. Itteh, Bitteh Book of Kittehs, a LOLcat Guide to Kittens. Shop Cats of New York. Cats, an illustrated Miscellany. Shaped Cats hardcover. Icon has Cheezburger, a LOLcat collection. 7 reasons why cats are better than dogs. Sorry I barfed on your bed, and other heartwarming letters from Kitty. Metal cats. Cats Galore, a compendium of cultured cats. Cats in hats. Cat coffee table book. Fat cat art, famous masterpieces improved by a ginger cat with attitude. Pounds. The book of the cat, cats in art. The complete cats in the sun. Lit cats. Cats, a portrait in pictures and words. Men with Cats, intimate portraits of feline friendship. The New Yorker Book of Cat Cartoons. The Big Photo Book of Cats, Kittens, and Kitties. Cats of Instagram.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.